Looking for a thorough and powerful clean? We researched over a dozen of the best drill bush options available today before choosing 5 to test side by side. We found the dirtiest crevices and cracks to clean, buffing out the kitchen, bathroom, and garage surfaces. We even took each tool to the dirtiest of outdoor gear, cleaning bike spokes and parts. While cleaning, we assessed the functionality and performance of each, finding nuanced uses and best performers for specific categories. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best drill brush. So let's get started. Number 5. Drill Brush 4-Piece Nylon Power Brush Tile Cleaner. The bathroom surfaces kit is just like it sounds. 4 different shaped brushes attached to your power drill for cleaning surfaces in your bathroom. The brushes in this kit have bristles of medium stiffness. This texture is tuned for various surfaces, including those in your kitchen, bathroom, and on many water sports equipment. Drill-mounted brush manufacturers have decided on a color convention to differentiate medium-bristled brushes. Basically, they each make medium stiffness brushes in the same 3 different colors. The different colors allow you to have multiple medium stiffness brushes for different tasks without risking cross-contamination. Yellow is pitched as suitable for bathroom tasks. Yellow isn't fundamentally different from the other medium stiffness colors. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. Heware 4-Piece Drill Brush. The Heware 4-Piece Soft Car Detailing Kit is good for even more than the model name suggests. Many, of course, will purchase it for automotive use. However, the brush textures are also suitable for carpets and upholstery inside your house. These white brushes are the softest available on the market. The 3 different shapes give you enough options to reach whatever corners you need to reach. We had great luck scrubbing stains from the carpet and buffing shinier surfaces with no damage to either. Other kits in our test are more versatile than the Heware Car Kit. Other colors are stiffer and, therefore, more suitable for challenging tasks on robust surfaces. If you want more versatility, another set will be more appropriate. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. The Ultimate Drill Brush. This 6-piece attachment set is versatile, compact, and affordable. Each component is robust and of high quality. The 6 pieces represent different textures/stiffnesses and different shapes. For most casual household use, you will find some version of what you need in this set. That it's all available at a reasonable price only sweetens the deal. This is a solid, basic set of drill brushes. For professional level or extended use, this set is limited. Because each piece varies in both shape and texture, it is possible you won't find the shape you want in the texture you need. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. Drill Brush 360 Attachment Kit. The tested blue version of the original 360 is optimized and pitched for use on your water sports equipment. The texture is medium in stiffness, which works well on plastic and fiberglass. The blue color is intuitively associated with water and water sports. The brush texture itself is indiscernible from the medium stiffness of other colors from other manufacturers. We couldn't discern a difference, and manufacturers do not claim a difference between medium stiffness brushes of different colors. Colors are differentiated to avoid potential cross-contamination from one use to the next. This is the smallest set of brushes we tested. There are just 3 different shapes, and the 360 does not include an extension/quick change function. Other sets and manufacturers include a standard, long 1/4 inch drive bit extender. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. Jusani 23-piece brush attachment set. The best product we tested is, not coincidentally, the largest set we tested. The Jusani 23-piece set is a versatile, diverse collection of brushes and drill-mounted scrubbing tools that work well for a wide variety of tasks around home and the garage. There are brushes of different shapes, sizes, and textures for light and heavy tasks. Our primary issue with the Jusani set is that it doesn't contain any medium stiffness brushes. The orange brushes included are most similar to red brushes from other companies. They include brushes at either end of the stiffness spectrum, but omit medium options of any color. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 5 best drill brush just for you.